Hey guys, if you were not here today, I want to kind of go over what we're doing in class. You're going to complete slide 4 of the weekly warm-up. If you have any questions, let me know. And then you are going to make a copy of this proportional relationship digital note page. Internet's kind of being a little laggy today at school. So if you want, you can go ahead and fill this out. I actually have an answer key that is an option that you can kind of follow along with and fill in as well. So basically what's happening is that proportional relationships are two equal fractions or equivalent fractions. And so I have a verbal description of saying that tax on soda is 3 cents every ounce. And so we filled in a key. If I have 0 ounces, I'm going to pay $0 or 0 cents. If I have 1 ounce, I will pay 3 cents. 2 ounce, I'll pay 6 cents. Basically just multiplying by 3 every time. And so an equation for that would be 3 times x is equal to y. What am I doing to my x values to get my y values? And then if you're graphing this, ounces and cents, and if you can kind of zoom in, it's the origin, the dot is at 0, 0. And for every 1 ounce, it's going up 3 cents. Every 1 ounce, up 3 cents. So to summarize this in not so many words, a graph has to be a straight line that passes through the origin, and the table of values have to be equivalent fractions. 3 divided by 1 is 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And this is going to show you that for every single one of these. This one right here is 4 divided by 2, which is 2. And that is my equation over here. This one is kind of the opposite of that. I have 1 divided by 3, 2 divided by 6. That is a decimal in my calculator, so I left it as a fraction, which is 1/3. So I kind of went over that kind of quickly, but I wanted to show you what you're doing with your assignment as well. So please email me if you didn't understand what I was talking about here. So your assignment is called Proportional Relationships, and there is a lot involved. But you are going to be working through that same concept here. And so I have multiple slides. The first one is the yellow slide with tables. The second one is verbal descriptions, equations, and then these are the slides that you will be connecting everything. So let's start with the yellow slide. You're going to take y divided by x every time. 3 divided by 4, 6 divided by 8, 9 divided by 12. This happens to be 0.75. And so you're going to click that and put that there, 0.75. This one happens to be 1 divided by 2, which is 0.5. And you'll do that so on. All right, go to the blue slide. I'm actually going to find one that has the answer for you. I think this one right here. It has leaked 3 gallons of water in 6 hours. 3 divided by 6 is 1/2, which is also 0.5. And then if you look here, remember like I showed you on your notes, whatever number is being multiplied by x is your answer to the equation. So what number is being multiplied by x? This one is 7. This one is 0.5. Notice I'm following a trend with this. I need this one. And the graph. So I have so many answers so far, noticing that I have a couple 0.5s, a 0.5, and a 0.5. Looking at this graph, remember I want the y value on top first. So I have this dot. My y is 1, my x is 2, 1/2 is equal to 0.5. So you are going to drag all of your boxes that are 0.5 to match this graph. So there are a couple ways that you can do this. I'm going to start with the table first. So the table that's 0.5, you click on it, Control X, cuts it out, and then come here and I hit Control V and it matches. I can do that. I need the blue one next. So Control X, Control V, and I drag it there to where it needs to be. Sometimes the number comes with it, sometimes it doesn't. I'm not worried about that because I can show you what how I will determine your answers. And last but not least is this guy, Control X, Control V, This is how you can know if you have done it correctly. Read the word backwards, WOLF. The answer is wolf. That is a word. So I'm good to go and I am finished. And I have done 4 of your 18 questions already done for you. So if you need any help, please let me know. This is all you're doing for me. Please email me if you have any questions. Turn this in when you can.